Downward spiral, downward spiral, downward spiral.
Let's rewind back to the president's mind.
I was gonna put him.
You know, there's actually an impressive literary side to freestyle rap. I'd even go so far as to say it's an intellectual sport.
You think rap is a sport?
I don't know about you motherfuckers, but I consider that shit to be a sport, okay? If people can sit back and label goddamn golf, which is the boringest fucking sport in the world.
Jake Paul, March Lincoln Bio, Ohio Fried, Chicken Bitch.
End the scene! End it now! You don't know the first thing about rap.
Honestly, I thought if I just said yo to the stuff I say, it counts.
Stay tuned for a rap battle of epic proportions.
Works for me.
Great, me too. Sheba, I've been working on my rap and was hoping you'd listen.
Please, please, just
Hear him out!
please.
Hit it, Fujiwara! Shoot, shoot! Welcome.
Hey, it says gullible on the ceiling.
Little hero bride, I'm coming in your mom.